this video, I will be talking about a gigantic move that Bitcoin is about to create here in the coming 48 hours ahead of ourselves. So don't miss out, because I will be exactly reveal about the reason why this big move is just about to be imminent for Bitcoin. I've got a very good reason for it, so make sure to watch this video till the end, because I will be discussing the most important charts here in crypto. So yeah, don't forget to slap up that like button. On yesterday's video, we were extremely close by slapping it up back above 500 likes. Can we do it potentially on today's update video? So don't forget to slap up that like button right now, and let's jump straight away in towards the content. So if I'm going to look at Bitcoin here on the imminent short term, we can straight away see here basically the period of the last day and 9 hours. Bitcoin has done nothing. We have been seeing very low volume, we've been seeing sideways consolidation, and this is of course indicating that we're not deciding which direction we're choosing towards, but as soon if we're going to choose a direction, it is most likely going to be extremely volatile. Yes, I am very much aware that we're currently trading in the weekend, because next week is of course that first week of October. On the 1 hour time frame as well, we can start to see that the price action is significantly forming lower highs from the top side together with higher lows on the lower side, what means that we're currently in a consolidation phase where we actually do not really know which the trend direction is so far. If we really want to be looking about what is the trend direction for Bitcoin right now, I should start to be looking at this 4 hour consolidation pattern right here called a symmetrical triangle, and here we can also clearly start to see the Bitcoin price action is clearly forming a lower high every single time together with higher lows, what means that we're so far have not officially chosen the direction on this market, but as soon as we do break below the upward sloping support line, we are going to be flipping bearish, and also the other way around here. And a real big reason about why I think this volatile move is definitely about to be happening, and right now, I am not talking about a 2 to 3% volatile move in the Bitcoin price action. No, I am talking about a gigantic move that I currently think is on the edge of happening for Bitcoin right now. And the main reason why I am saying this is because once I am looking at the daily Bollinger Bands chart, we can first of all see, if I zooming in here, the Bollinger Bands is squeezing the price action in significantly towards an apex, and this is indicating that there's going to be a big volatile move. Because if I compare this scenario, what we're currently getting, the whiff we are currently having here on the Bollinger Bands, if I compare it to the other times it happened, and that's why I'm using the Bollinger Band whiff chart. What is the chart here on the lower side that is basically showing us, okay, if the Bollinger Bands is coming to the same narrow place that it is currently at, what it has done historically towards the Bitcoin price action. So this signal have occurred many times before. Like you can see on the previous Ultimate on Bitcoin, of course, we start to see a very big volatility swoop towards the downside. Here we also saw a volatility swoop. Here also another volatility move. And once again here, just on, what is it? On the 21st of August, just a moment ago, we also reached the same narrow Bollinger Bands whiff. And after that, we also once again saw that big move happening for Bitcoin. So what is interesting to see is that basically every single time historically seeing this signal has occurred, Bitcoin moved down significantly, and we're seeing this signal getting flashed once again. But yeah, definitely it is indicating we're about to have a volatile move, and it's not going to be happening today. I am very much aware about it, because it's weekend. Of course, it could be happening today, but most likely it's going to be start happening in towards next week. So next week is also a week where I do expect the big volatility is going to kick in towards the market, because this is right now on the 1 day time frame. But if I'm also going to be looking up towards the 2 day time frame and going to be looking at the signal we're currently also seeing, it is a very significant signal that currently is flashing on the market. Because once looking at Bitcoin, we can once again see the Bollinger Bands is really squeezing the price action in, means that the volatility on the market is going to be imminent. And historically speaking, we have been seeing this signal occur also 3 times before, and every single time it happened, Bitcoin moved down significantly right here, or better said, Bitcoin created massive volatility. Also over here on that September rally, we saw a significant pump here in October getting created. Let's do it again here, because yeah, this is exactly 1 year later, 1 year in advance, basically. And also right here, once the Bollinger Bands was getting so narrow, we also saw that volatility move towards the downside. So yeah, I can definitely tell everyone on the channel right now here, it is only likely to expect that next week we are either going to be seeing that significant movement towards the upside getting created of an about 10 to 15%, or towards the downside. So basically we're currently on the edge of having that volatile move. And now for us, it's going to be important to know, where are we heading towards? Where is this move going to be moving towards? Is it going to be up? Is it going to be down? So that is why I will be looking first of all at this symmetrical triangle. In the coming 48 hours, we're going to be seeing a breakout of this pattern, and this is going to be for sure a very volatile move. Initial volatile move is not going to be the big move I will be waiting for. It is either going to be bringing Bitcoin back above to $21,000, or if we're going to be measuring it towards the downside, it could be bringing Bitcoin down towards levels around $17,000. What is of course from here on an approximately 11% move here, and if we're going to be breaking up, it's going to be an approximately 9% move. So yeah, for sure, this is indicating a big volatility move is going to be imminent. But personally, I do even expect the move will be probably get continued. So it's going to be important to see which direction we're breaking towards. Then also, I will be taking this level very serious. The downtrend from the previous all-time high on Bitcoin on the daily chart, if I'm zooming in here, we can start to see that, yeah, of course, we got rejected by this level multiple times in the past here. If Bitcoin breaks above this level on the daily time frame, confirms a candle close above this downtrend here on the daily time frame, I'm actually going to be flipping quite bullish on Bitcoin. So yes, I would definitely love to see Bitcoin closing its daily candle above $20,000, because that will be confirming the breakout here on the daily downtrend from the previous all-time high. So we'll keep my eyes definitely wide open on this, also on the other important downward sloping resist lines. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now if you want to be staying exactly up to date once we are breaking above this level. And also, if we do break above this level, it could be well indicate that we could start to be accumulate new swing trade positions in towards the market, because then we are most likely expecting the market is at its turning point. And talking about trading, if you want to be claiming a free trade, you can go to Bybit right now here, and only if you sign up a new account using my link in the description right now, deposit $1,000, you will be able to claim a free $1,000 airdrop position here on Ethereum. So make sure to check it out. It's only 15% left in supply right now here, and yeah, it is basically first come first serve, and it is extremely profitable because you deposit $1,000 and you literally get a free $1,000 in trading position here on Bybit. So make sure to benefit from it right now. Furthermore, here you can see some close P&L from the last day here with my trading algorithm called CryptoC. CryptoC is a trading algorithm that makes around 60 to 70% returns on a yearly basis. And if you want to be checking out this video currently popping up above, where I do explain a little bit more about this product, but this is definitely a revolutionary product that we built in crypto. It is a trading bot that automatically trades for you, and it's definitely changing up the way how trading works. So make sure to check it out right now here. And over the past day here, we've already realized more than $100 in profits, and due to that, it's definitely an extremely profitable bot that you could be using yourself right now as well. Furthermore, going in towards the content, I want to be pointing out Bitcoin is still forming that descending triangle, and we could still potentially see this breakdown happening over here, especially since we are currently expecting the volatility is going to be picking up significantly in the coming days ahead of ourselves. So make sure to keep your eyes wide open on the Y box of support if we do break below that level right here. I honestly do expect Bitcoin is probably going to suffer from more pain. So let's see how that is going to be playing out here. So we can see here on the weekly time frame, we are currently trading in a downtrend, just like the daily downtrend we have been seeing as well. The weekly candle will be closing in 17 hours from now on. And if we close above the 20.4K, approximately 20.7K, we will be breaking the weekly downtrend. But currently you can see every single time we've touched it, we've got rejected, we moved down from that point. What I want to be having right now is that we get rid of this level, we break above it, because as soon as we do break above the downtrend here on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, we will be most certainly start to see more upside, and the market could be reversing from that point onwards. So make sure to keep your eyes wide open on these macro levels here, these bigger picture levels that are currently providing significant resistance. If you want to be staying up to date with all these updates, don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now here. And as well, if you do like the content, will be highly appreciated if you slap off that like button right now. Anyways, this was it for today's update video. If you want to be learning how to copy trade, or if you want to be learn to find a way to make passive income and earn to 60 to 70% returns on a yearly basis, check out the videos that are currently popping up above. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll check you guys in the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.